Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to fix blue screen boot loop in Windows 11 and Windows 10 with the following error message. Your device ran into a problem and needs to be restart. Stop code, system thread exception not handled. This BSOD is usually associated with failure in one of the following system files: ntfs.sys, fltmgr.sys, nvlddmkm.sys, dxgmms2.sys. It may happen after installing incompatible Windows updates, Windows components, or incompatible drivers in Windows 11, Windows 10 or Windows 8. I will show you many solutions for this issue, but before starting, you have to boot into Windows recovery environment in order to try one or all suggested solutions based on the error source in your laptop. How to boot into Advanced Recovery menu. To boot into Windows recovery environment, do the followings. Force stops the computer by pressing power key for 7 seconds. Power it on again. Once you see the spinning dots with or without Windows logo, press and hold the power key down for 7 seconds or until the computer shut down completely. Repeat previous steps again for 2 additional times or until you see preparing automatic repair, or diagnosing your PC, or please wait in your screen. From automatic repair or recovery screen, select advanced options or see advanced repair options to proceed to the next recovery menu. Select troubleshoot option and then select advanced options. From this menu, you can apply all suggested solutions. If you are unable to boot into Windows recovery environment, you may need a bootable USB of Windows. See video description to learn how to create a bootable USB of Windows 11 using your mobile. After creating the bootable USB, connect it to your computer while it is in power off state. Power on the computer. Once you see the manufacturer logo, press F12 repeatedly to open boot menu. This is the list of common hotkeys used to open boot menu in most common laptops brands. Once you are in the boot menu, select the USB drive from the list and then press enter to boot from it. Select English language from the list and then press next. If you failed to boot from the USB, you may need to disable secure boot and to enable USB boot from BIOS settings. Watch the video from description for more details in how to boot from USB drive. Select repair your computer option and then select troubleshoot option to open advanced recovery menu. First solution, uninstalling latest Windows update. If you think the error appears after latest Windows update, try to remove it as followings. Click on Uninstall Updates option. Select Uninstall Latest Quality Update, and then click on Uninstall Quality Update to confirm your selection. This process may take several minutes, so make sure your laptop is fully charged or plugged into electric source, to avoid further system corruption in case of shutting down while this process in progress. Click Done and then select Continue to start Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system. Your files will not be affected by this solution. If your issue not fixed, back to advanced options and remove latest feature update. If removing latest Windows update failed to proceed or didn't fix the issue, try another one from the next solutions. Second solution, removing problematic driver or app. From Advanced Options menu, select Startup Settings and then click on Restart. Once you are on Startup Settings menu, press F5 key from keyboard to boot into safe mode with networking. After booting into safe mode, right-click on Start menu and then select Event Viewer option. Expand Windows Logs and then select System option. Scroll down to locate the recent critical error. Critical event indicates that the computer rebooted due to system failure. If there is no critical event record, try to boot your computer or to open the app that cause auto restart many times until you see the critical event. See what is the previous event below the critical error that failed to start to know what is the driver or app that led to system failure. In my case, the adapter driver of VMware Virtual Network is the source of blue screen error, because it is the last event executed before appearance of critical event. Notice that all previous events below VMware event executed successfully. After determining the error source, open Device Manager and remove the problematic driver. Open Control Panel and then start Device Manager, or right-click on Start icon, and then select Device Manager. Click on View Panel and then select Show Hidden Devices option. Locate the problematic driver and remove it. In my case, I will remove all drivers related to VMware Workstation app, because it interfered with the recent Windows update. If the blue screen error appears after updating a specific driver in your computer, you can try to remove that update only without removing the entire driver as followings. Double-click on the problematic device to open Properties. Navigate to Driver panel and then click on Roll Back Driver to restore previous version. Select one reason for rolling back and then click on Yes to confirm your changes. Alternative method to removing the entire driver is to just disable it and then restart your computer to see whether the problem fixed or not. Now, restart your system to see whether the issue fixed or not. After a successful boot without blue screen error, you have to install the old driver if the issue appears after updating the driver, or search for a compatible and updated driver from the official manufacturer website of your laptop using service tag number. Watch video from description for more details about using service tag number to download drivers. Third solution, restore your system to previous stable point. If the system restore was enabled in your computer before appearance of problem, you have a high chance to get rid of system thread exception not handled error easily. To restore your system, do the followings. From recovery menu, select system restore option and then click on next. Check show more restore points if you have many restore points. Select restore point that has been created before appearance of your boot error and then click next. Select the partition or drive that contains Windows only and then click on next. Click on finish and then click on yes to start restoring process. Your files will not be removed when applying all suggested solutions properly, including system restore solution. Click on restart to restart into desktop. Fourth solution, disabling system restart after failure. If your computer restarted after a successful boot, then this method will help you. You can disable automatic restart after system failure using one of the following methods. Open command prompt and type this command. WMIC recover OS set auto reboot equals false. Or from startup settings by pressing F9 key from keyboard to disable automatic restart after failure. The third method to disable automatic restart after failure is by booting into safe mode by pressing F4. In safe mode, press Windows plus R keys to open Run tool. Type the following command without space. System Properties Advanced. Press Enter to open Advanced System Properties. Click on Settings button under Startup and Recovery option. Under System Failure option, uncheck Automatic Restart option and then click OK to save changes. If your computer rebooted to blue screen before login, then you can try to disable driver signature enforcement by pressing F7, or to disable early launch anti-malware protection by pressing F8 to see if they can help. You have to enable these options after determining and fixing the root cause of system thread exception not handled, as they have a protective role against dangerous errors that may lead to severe corruption in your system or computer or both. It's worth noting that some or all methods may fail to proceed if there is a corruption in the system files. In this case, you have to restore system health using the following two commands. dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. sfc/scano. After finishing system scan, try the suggested solutions again. Finally, if you still need a help, you can add a question in comments and he will try to help you. But you have to include everything you know about the error, such as the blue screen error message and error code, whether the blue screen appears before or after login, or while using a specific app or game, or after installing or updating a specific driver. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.